Stefan, we're here to talk about MiniSKiiP. When I think about Semikron, I think about MiniSKiiP. MiniSKiiP is really the flagship product of Semikron. It's at the heart of many low voltage drives. Why is that?
Very simple answer is system cost. So I have a very good example from one of our customers. They changed their design from standard baseplate modules to MiniSKiiP on a 55 kilowatt motor drive, and they saved on a system level 18% of cost. And that's very crucial to motor drives because motor drive today is a commodity product. So basically the functionality, the basic functionality is given, reliability is a given, and then one of the main differentiation factors is cost.
But why is then the implemented cost less with a MiniSKiiP?
To answer that, we have to look at the principle of MiniSKiiP. So we're talking about a spring power module. Spring means that we do all the interconnections from inside the power module to the outside with springs. That means we need a PCB, so all the designs have to be PCB based, and just the PCB gives you already a certain benefit. The PCB itself might be a little bit more expensive than a copper-based design, copper bus bar design, but the components that you can use on the PCB become less expensive. Whether it's the DC bus, if it's the current sensors, that's all less. And if you look also again at the principle of MiniSKiiP, for mounting the complete assembly, so heatsink PCB power module, we just need 1 or 2 screws, and that's it. So the tools you need is a simple screwdriver. If you look at press fit modules, at solder pin modules, then you always need additional equipment. You need a solder equipment, soldering machine. You need presses to press in the press fits. Especially this is difficult if you also consider pre-applied thermal paste. So you have to be very careful not to destroy the paste. Here it's much easier. You put the MiniSKiiP on the heatsink, PCB and lid on top, 2 screws, done.
So I understand from a manufacturing cost perspective, Stefan, but are there other inherent benefits of the MiniSKiiP packaging technology?
Yes, sure. For example, thermal performance. As we use springs all over the area of the power module, we also apply a pressure all over the area. And that means that the connection, the thermal connection of the power module to the heatsink is very, very good. In comparison to a, let's say, industry standard press fit module of a small power, we can improve the thermal resistance by something like 20%. So that can be higher output power, or if you come back to the cost topic, you can use less silicon for the same kind of application at lower cost. And the second big benefit from my perspective is the scalability. So we have a range of housings, and these housings basically cover everything from CIB, 6-pack modules, we have half bridges, we have the rectifier modules that come with that, to cover the complete current range from 10 to 400 amp, fully scalable. That means basically 0.4, 0.5 kilowatt up to 110 kilowatt. And the scalability is not only in terms of nominal current on output power, it's also in terms of voltage. So we have the possibility to implement 650 and 1200 volt, as many others can do too. But one unique feature is the capability to also use 1700 volt devices. So it doesn't matter if you do a motor drive for 200, 400 or 690 volt AC, you can always solve it with a MiniSKiiP.
Okay, so I imagine from our customer perspective, this gives them really the chance to go from micro drives through to really quite big mid-sized drives, all on one platform. Okay. Stefan, I know that things are moving forward at our production plant in China. Can you give us an update on that, please?
That update is done very quickly. We are in full production in China, so we basically had 3 full production lines in Germany, and we added another one in China in an already existing facility where we had already a production for other products. And yeah, we are in full production, so all the basic motor drive topologies are available from the Chinese factory. Basically, our credo is here, produce where your customers are.
Okay, Stefan, sounds great. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much.